Hello everybody. I would like to explain what this funny thing is and what for we use this in the water industry in Germany. Before I do that, I would like to go a little bit in history because it's important to understand how we do things. A pretty old things is this DWA, RTV, ATV, which is now DWA database, a floppy disk inside for 100 German marks. This was 1993. After that, of course, I was sitting on the front of a computer in 1984 the first time, and all the time I had to type something in. So it was the only way, and my back hurted, and this was the only way. Later, I was lucky we got a mouse, and it was much easier to do that. Then we got Steve Jobs. He helped us to get a smartphone. This is now more than 10 years old, but not that much. And a little bit short later, we got these tablets. I have it from a company with an Apple and the Apple pen. I love that. I write a lot with this pen. And some years later, we got, I bought this one here. And then I could put my mobile in and I could see videos, YouTube and all the things. This was quite amazing at that time. But again, a couple of years later, Facebook brought this Oculus Go. It cost in Germany about 200 euro, and with a pointer, and this is all to navigate. Wi-Fi, and you are meeting with people, with friends, and you're watching 360-degree videos. I watch basketball quite often with this one here. And now the latest version here is this one from Microsoft, where you close it, you have a video over here, you have sensors over here, it scans the whole area here. There's some laser pointer over here, microphone, audio, everything is here. Computer is on the back. So we in Germany try now to figure out how we can use this in the water sector and wastewater treatment plants. You need a Wi-Fi. In many wastewater treatment plants in Germany, they don't have Wi-Fi. But with hotspots, you connect to that, that's possible. What we want to do with that, we want to see, you can put a lot of information in here, all your information data, maps, graphics, standard operation and maintenance proceedings. This is a computer. You have the computer on the head and you can use your hands for working. So you can call the programming instructions, put it down, read it here, and do it in the same time. This is great because you can run around. When I need a screen, I open the screen over here, make like this, open the window, open the screen. It's over here, as big as I like it. I watch it and I work. And if I say, please follow me, then this screen, this virtual screen, will follow me to the next machine. So I can work with my hands, I can walk around, and the computer screen is always with me like a dog behind me. This is crazy. And if I have a problem, then I call my friend in the company and say, can you help me? Because we get more and more people who are not well qualified. They come to a problem, they don't know what to do, they call the boss, try to explain. The boss is not seeing what the guy is doing. Here you can really give instruction what to do and how to do it. So we want to test that, how to use that in one wastewater treatment plants. I've seen videos on YouTube that in America, some of the treatment plants, they have not a lot of good qualified manpower there. They gave a headset to everybody and said, go out, if you have a question, call Josef and he will help you. We have a lot of good qualified workforce in Germany on wastewater treatment plants, but I'm sure this could be also some additional points, especially on weekends, emergencies, whatever. This costs about 3,000 euro. It's not for the consumer, it's for the industry. It's for really working in the industry. And I'm looking forward to how that will change us. If with this information, and of course, sometimes you get also this one here. With this information, you know exactly where you are, what happens with you, and you know exactly. That is not what we need in wastewater engineering. But I read also in the news Microsoft is selling a lot of these HoloLens to the military. Of course, if they know where they are and where the enemies are with these drones, that is a change. The next thing what will come up this year in 2021 is the Apple Glass. I have an Apple phone in my pocket. This is the capacity of the Apollo moon landing mission. And now they're connected to this glass. So this glass looks much smaller, not as big as that one, because Microsoft has not very good mobiles. So this will be, I think, a game changer. And we know when Apple does something, it's pretty powerful. So coming to an end, I started in 1984 with sitting and typing on a computer. Then I used the mouse, I used the pen, I used the smartphone. I give commands to Siri and Alexa. Now I'm talking with this Hololense too. It's also voice recognition. So I talk with the computer. Now from staying in front of me, taking it with me, and now I put the computer on my head. My head is big enough, I'm old enough. But I'm looking forward to look through the computer with these glasses. I'm sure next year, Christmas, could be that I have different glasses on my nose. So wearing the computers in the future on your nose, on your head, this makes a change. They always call it in English the game changing. I think especially in education and training, this will be a game changer because you can work with your hands and you can watch the instruction. You can call a friend, an instructor, a peer group, a colleague. You can meet wherever you are. You don't have to be at the same site. I think that is quite interesting for the future. Hope you enjoyed it. The best, and see you again hopefully. Bye-bye.